Hello, I'm Rod Hill, President of I.C.U Marketing Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a demonstration of one of our many services that we provide, and that's developing mobile applications for small and local businesses. Let's go through the demonstration. On the home page here, we have what I call one-touch buttons. So you got the Call Us button, the Directions button, and the Tell a Friend button. When they press Call Us, it automatically pulls up the number in the phone, and then they can call directly that way. Directions, they can load up in GPS with one button, and then Tell a Friend, which allows them to either share it with Facebook, Twitter. Here at the bottom we have the menus. Now there are more menu options, and this would be under the More tab, but we have the home button, the menu button, place order button, and location button. Now these can change based on the needs of the business. We're just using these for demonstration. So just to show you how it looks, this is their menu. They have cupcakes, cheesecakes, specialty items, and I'll just show you one. Everyday flavors. These are the many cupcakes that they provide. Now instead of them having to go to the website, they can just go straight to the app. Hey, I think I want a turtle or chocolate banana cupcake. Well, let's see what else they have. And now they have that right here at their fingertips. They have a functionality where they're able to place orders right through their website, and now we've been able to transfer it to the mobile application. So now instead of them having to go to the website, they can just go straight to the app, click the place order button, and they're right here at the page to go ahead and place the order. Location, they only have one location, but if you have multiple locations, they will all show on the screen here. And actually it will be a drop down first, and then whatever one you choose, this screen will show up. But you also have the one-touch functionality on this screen, which you can view map so they can see exactly where your establishment is. They can call you directly. So this is on this screen and the home screen. View website, they can go directly to your website through the mobile phone with this button. And if they want to email you at your corporate email address, they can just click the email us button and email you directly through the application. Clicking the More button, they also have other functionalities here. We got the About Us page, which I'll just let you quickly see that. So if you have an About Us page, you can take the functionality from your website, transfer it here. And again, I won't go through all these just for time's sake. We have photo gallery. So if you have a photo gallery or any pictures that you would like to show, they can click on here, and now they have a slideshow. Again, all the functionalities right in the app. I'm coming back to QR coupon and GPS coupon in just a moment. Classes. This particular establishment has different classes that they hold. We added that functionality in here as well. And I won't go into detail, but messages and fan wall, you actually have to be inside the application for these to work. If you have any messages that you want to send to and from, they could check it here, but I'm also showing you another functionality that's even more powerful than this. Fan wall is pretty much the same thing. I can have it go straight to my newsfeed and my Facebook, and for all my friends and everything to see. If you have a blog, you have a blog tab. Facebook, it actually pulls up the mobile version of Facebook, which is very cool. We also do Twitter as well. And the other functionalities that I won't go into detail, but you got email photo around us. They can actually see what's in the area in case they can't find your establishment. And if you have any special events or something of that nature, you can also add that functionality as well. Now, I'm going back up to the top. There's actually 3 important functionalities I want to share with you all. And again, when we designed these applications, we built them with the small business in mind. We all understand that we have to have new customers, but it's even more important to keep your existing customers coming back, which means you have to have something to engage with them. Today's society and economy, we're looking for discounts, deals, and things of that nature. And this is a WIFM society. In case you don't know what that means, it's WIIFM. It's what's in it for me. And that's what these applications can do for your customers. Now, 2 functionalities that I'm going to go over right now, and then the last one I'll say for last because I can't actually show you that unless the app is active. QR coupon. For those of you all that are not familiar with the QR coupon, this is what it looks like. It holds information such as URLs to websites inside this QR code. Now what we've done, we've taken this functionality and made it into a functionality that can engage with consumers. If you ever been to an establishment where they give you like a card and then they stamp the card, and then on the 10th one you get something free, It's the same concept. Instead of using paper, we're using electronic. In order to read these QR codes, you have to have a QR scanner, which you can download for free from the Android store or the Apple store. But what we've done, we've actually built that inside the application. So here's how it works. You get your own QR code for your business, come into your establishment, make a purchase. I have my app ready. You pull out the QR code for me to scan it. I click the scan QR button. On the phone, it's going to change to my camera. I scan the QR code that you allow me to scan. Now, this is what happens. You see this 0/10. This will now change to 1/10. Again, it's just like the same concept as having the stamps, except we're using it electronically. As you can see here in this particular example, they get one free cupcake after their 10th visit. So you say get one free cupcake on your 10th visit. Now what will happen down here where it says you need to check another 10 times before you can use this coupon, it'll change to 9, then 8, then 7, and then once this is 10 by 10, this will unlock, and then all they have to do is show this to you, and then whatever it is that you're going to give them free or what kind of discount, they can do it at that time. It's a good way, again, to engage with your consumers, plus it's a cool way for them to do it. That's one functionality. The other one is the GPS coupon. Now the GPS coupon is very similar to QR coupon, except now all they have to do is put in the address, follow it through GPS. When they reach their destination, they'll go into the application, pull up this screen here, then click check-in. Same concept. This will go from 0/10 to 1/10, and then 2/10. Then down here you also see you need to check in another 10 times before you can use your coupon. It'll change to 9, then 8. Then of course when it's 10 by 10, then all they have to do is present this to you or your business, and then they can go ahead and give them whatever that is that you're going to give them, if it's free, this, or discount, or things of that nature. That's another very cool functionality. This last one is very, very powerful. And the reason why is because you have traditional marketing methods. They're very expensive, but the rate of returns are very, very low. Can't track them, and you really have no idea who took advantage of it, except the ones where you do coupons. The next best way is email, but the problem with email is that it has a 5% open rate, and this is within a 28-hour time frame. Now, out of the 5%, only 1 to 2% of them actually respond to your message. And when I say respond, I mean they actually take the action that you're trying to get them to take. Now, believe it or not, this actually is better than traditional marketing. Traditional marketing is 0.25 to 0.50% as far as action being taken based on that message that you sent through traditional marketing. Well, this mobile application has a functionality called push notification. This is what a push notification looks like. Now, unfortunately, I can't demonstrate it on this website, but if it's live in the App Store and Android store, then the functionality will work. In our back office, we're able to send a message to anyone who downloads the application. So if you got 1,000 people that downloaded the application, if you have a special or a deal or something in that nature, all we do is send that notification one time, and it goes out to all 1,000 of them. Now, here's the kicker. And this is mobile marketing, and this is a mobile revolution. Everyone has one or more mobile devices. Just picture this in your mind. When you send a push notification, 97% that receive this notification opens it within the first hour. I say that again. When push notifications are sent, they usually open it within the first hour. 20 to 30% actually respond to your call to action. That's way better than email and traditional marketing. This is very, very powerful, and we have this functionality in our application. This concludes my presentation of our powerful mobile applications designed specifically for our small and local businesses. If you have any questions, or if you're ready to get started to get an application built for your business, please visit our website at www.I.C.U.marketingsolutions.com. That's www.I as in India, C as in cat, U as in underscore, marketingsolutions.com. Visit our Contact Us page. You could give us a call between the hours of 9 a.m., 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I look forward to doing business with you all in the near future. Thank you and take care.